Namaste, listeners. Welcome to another episode of In Essence podcast. Yes, I am back, and I won't apologize because I am late. Since I'm always late, so yeah, you should have a habit of me getting late in every episode. and आज हम किस बारे में बात करने वाले हैं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है सिंस आई एम गोइंग टू लॉन्च अ पेड सब्सक्रिप्शन एंड इट इज माय रिस्पांसिबिलिटी दैट यू guys pay for it. So we are going to talk about your career, whether you should take business as a life option or whether we should go for a job that is very common. And since आजकल का कल्चर इंस्टाग्राम पे देख लो, ट्विटर पे देख लो, हर जगह लोग कह रहे हैं अरे तुम जॉब कर रहे हो, तुम तो बहुत छोटे आदमी हो, हम तुमसे बात नहीं करेंगे, जाओ। और बिजनेस करना सबको ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत कूल चीज है, वर्किंग लाइक 100 hours a week। इन्फोसिस वाला कहता है ना ऐसा, वी शुड वर्क 100 hours a week।
70 hours a week.
70? Okay.
सर अभी 40 बिल कर रहे हैं तो 70 hours is a lot, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's about almost double of what we are billing right
Yeah.
now in jobs.
Right. Yes, तो इंट्रोडक्शन रह गया भाई यार,
अरे
पहले
यार।
बोले आए। Okay guys, let me introduce the guest, the OG himself, जिन्होंने बहुत कुछ बनाया और जिनसे हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा है। और अभी you know there is a little spoiler for you in my
Yes.
life कि हम लोग साथ में बिजनेस करने वाले हैं।
Business.
We are-
Have you seen that meme?
Yeah,
That's
I
it.
have seen that.
Business. Pure business.
And that one is more funny. वो एक वो काला सा लड़का, I shouldn't use racist
यार
word.
रेसिस्ट है भाई तू।
I
क्या
knew
कर रहा है
it,
तू?
That kid यार ऐसे पैसे काउंट कर रहा होता है।
The business. Pure business. I like that guy. I mean, I can do that.
I love holding that much of money in my hand.
You just wish to do that. But we do
I
all
don't-
transactions online. Now what we can do?
That's it. Guys,
Yeah.
Modi ji made everything online, so you can't really feel, the the weight of that bundle in your hand.
Dude, I mean, I was like, since we are talking about businesses, I mean,
Mhm.
businesses को बहुत empowerment मिला है bro, digitization की वजह
I
से.
agree with that.
I mean, for me, it has become so easy for me to go ahead and go around, collect cash or like project cost
Right,
and
right.
everything, and it becomes so easy that ट्रांसफर कर दो यार, जीपे से कर दो,
Yes.
पेटीएम कर
exactly.
दो, यूपीआई कर दो। तो businesses को बहुत फायदा हुआ है through like digitization of the money transfer and stuff.
Right,
So
right,
yeah.
right. I agree with that.
Hmm.
मतलब हम चलती गाड़ी से बिलबोर्ड पे यूपीआई स्कैन करके pay कर
हाँ।
सकते हैं। हाँ भैया, आधे घंटे पहले पेमेंट आई थी ना, वो खाना लगा
खाना
दो।
लगा दो।
So,
So yeah.
yeah. तो यार बेसिकली अब हम ना एक सॉर्ट ऑफ आज जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि इज बिजनेस रियली दैट गुड जितना हाइप अप कर रखा है, और जॉब इज इक्वली गुड फॉर अ पर्सन। फाइनेंशियल पर्सपेक्टिव से आई नो दे डिफर, बट as an individual who's living his or her life, whether they are that great for you.
Right.
We are going to just sort of have a gist of it today.
Mm-hmm. So, like, I have a perception to share here is about कि यार जो ये biased वो बना रखा है ना, because business sounds very cool, but मतलब I feel like कि हर चीज cool लगती है until and unless you are into the the vibe of it.
Correct.
So मतलब businesses are also very challenging and so are jobs. दोनों जगह पे stress है, दोनों जगह पे financially आप stable हो या नहीं हो, कहीं पे आपके अंदर आपको रिस्क फेस करना पड़ रहा है, कहीं पे नहीं करना पड़ रहा है। सो मतलब आई बिलीव कि दोनों साइड पे बहुत ज्यादा प्रोज एंड कॉन्स है, व्हिच आई बिलीव विल डिस्कस आल्सो।
Right.
सो मतलब इट बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरी इंडिविजुअल टू सी कि भाई मेरे लिए क्या काम करेगा,
Right.
राइट? बिकॉज देखो प्रेशर हर चीज में है, चाहे वो बिजनेस हो चाहे नौकरी हो, हर जगह प्रेशर है, हर जगह काम है, हर जगह। देखो अगर आप जॉब में भी इफ यू लव द वर्क दैट यू डू, तो देन वो 70 hours 80 hours is something that doesn't matter,
Correct.
right? And so is with the business. So business के अंदर बस आप खुद डिसाइड करते हो आपको काम क्या करना है।
Right.
जॉब में you are told of what you have to do,
Hmm.
right? But if you like doing that also, then I believe कि 70-80 घंटे भी बिल करना बहुत मुश्किल नहीं होता है।
Right, right, right.
मतलब बिल भी क्या, वो तो अनअकाउंटेड ही होता है कंपनी बिजनेसेस में। मतलब they want to make profit, but
Right.
like it doesn't matter because your performance is always seen. You're always recognized when your work is good, when you know how to deliver your work, you are professional and everything. And that is also what I feel ki businesses is all about these days now. So of what we call as entrepreneurship also,
Right, right.
like more sophisticated way of doing it altogether.
Doing-
So yeah,
yeah.
let's get into it, and then I will be ready to challenge you upon the fact कि भाई jobs में भी मतलब it's not that difficult also with the jobs, and it is also very fancy. So let's just
Right,
get
right,
into
right.
it. So yeah.
Yeah, I would like to agree with that na yaar ki anything that gives you sense of fulfillment in your life is the thing you should go for it without even thinking twice. Yeah, this is giving me a sense of fulfillment. This is what I really want to do because you we have the pros and cons of each and everything. Every
Right.
coin has two sides. Like यार business में I I am doing what I really want to do in each and every case. Job
Hmm.
might not really be the case, but यार job के बाद when you're coming home you are just out of that office space कि यार अब now I am giving my family some time. I
Yes.
want to go on a vacation, so I am enjoying that vacation. But when I'm doing a business, I am the owner of that thing. I might get client calls on vacation. I might really be involved even when I am at home. So
Okay.
these things happen, and people don't really see both the sides of that. That whatever that they are going to
Right,
pursue.
right. But that is really something that I believe is the choice of the business owner.
Right.
Or what you're saying, getting client calls on a vacation or like having a team meeting or like मतलब मैं I am not preaching anything. I have done that too.
Correct.
Like मैं vacation पे अपनी family के साथ हुआ and I'm inducting the new interns who have just joined my company. So like I believe कि वो चीज़ होती है, but now it does not happen. Because now I have learned through not the hard way also, but the most effective way to do is that it is your choice to make things happen in a way which is suitable for you and for other people as well. So a business owner can only be a successful business owner when they can at least take a 3 days off without caring about what is happening in their company.
Right.
Right?
Right.
So a CEO is also an employee, right?
Correct.
A managing director is also an employee.
Right.
But being the owner or like the founder or being a partner at the firm, I believe कि वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है टू आइडेंटिफाई कि आपके लिए क्या चीज़ काम करनी चाहिए और आप इंडिपेंडेंटली काम कर सकते हैं, right? An employee is always told of what they have to do.
Correct.
There are roles and responsibilities defined. A business owner like you and me, we both will be sometimes found making a design on like Canva or
Right.
Photoshop
Right,
sometimes
right.
when our graphic designer is not there, right? Sometimes we might just be launching or making a proposal for a certain client even though we have a business development team
Correct.
inside of our firm. So हमारे roles and responsibilities defined नहीं है,
बिल्कुल.
right? And so are not our boundaries. But what if we define them? राइट सो लाइक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में मैंने एक बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक चीज सीखी है अभी रिसेंटली फ्रॉम अ फ्यू बिजनेस ओनर्स इज दैट कि आप जब अपनी प्रायोरिटीज को सेट कर लेते हो ना कि भाई आपको बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट करना है, यू नीड टू गेट इन द कैश फ्लो, यू नीड टू मैनेज थिंग्स, यू नीड टू क्रिएट पॉलिसीज एंड you need to like delegate stuff to people to get a more effective or efficient way of delivering things.
Right. When you are
तो
the
वो कर लो.
when you are the owner ना, you have the responsibility of taking your own thing forward. यार ये मेरी चीज है, मुझे संभाल के रखनी है, and I want to grow it. It is
Right.
about that. But when you are an employee, even when we are talking about a CEO, if you are the owner of your business, you are the founder of your business, you are telling the CEO, yeah, this is the result that I want, and this is what I think it should be
Right.
like in the past,
Right.
in according to the past years. Future में हम ऐसा करने वाले हैं.
Hmm.
And CEO is the person who plans a strategy, plans an execution strategy of how that result is going to be,
Right.
on your sheet in the next year, and how it is
Right.
going to be managed. So yeah, it's like that.
It's always about not having a projection for the kind of work that you do, but it is always a projection of what you want your firm to look like in the next financial year.
Right.
It's always like that I need a workforce of these many people next year. I want a revenue that is built on this.
Right.
I want to invest into something like this. Can we have a potential to build out a product out of our service based business or not? Right? Or how we can hold accountability to our investors or our board of directors, or how can we secure some kind of an investment. Those are the kind of responsibilities that every business owner has
Right.
automatically, right? But जब आप एक प्रोजेक्ट की बात करते हो कि प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर क्या इनोवेशन होना चाहिए, इसका डिलीवरी कैसा होना चाहिए, आई बिलीव कि वो बिजनेस ओनर इनिशियली करता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बट बाद में ना आपको you need to build that trust in your employees.
Correct.
That you trust them enough to deliver that to the best of their ability of what is the vision that I as a business owner has defined for our company, right? If I say that we focus a lot of quality on quality, then I inculcate that vision into my employees. That is my role,
Right.
and that is my responsibility. but them delivering things with quality is now their work and their responsibility, right? I cannot go ahead and review everything, right? So that is why ये बाउंड्री सेट करने से आपको एक इंडिपेंडेंस आती है, एंड देन यू कैन एक्चुअली स्पेंड योर पर्सनल टाइम विद योरसेल्फ,
Correct.
राइट? तब
Otherwise,
आपको
that
कॉल्स नहीं आएंगे.
right. Otherwise, that day is never gonna come ना कि you are on a 1 week vacation and your business is running flawlessly.
राइट राइट, वो कभी
You'll
होगा ही
have to
नहीं,
do it every time.
क्योंकि हम हमेशा चाहते हैं ना कि हमारे वी ऑलवेज फाइंड आवरसेल्व्स एज द स्मार्टेस्ट इन द रूम,
Right.
राइट? इवन दो वी आर नॉट,
Right.
so we feel कि जो हम कर पाएंगे वो कोई नहीं कर पाएगा. But actually being a business owner is also about modesty, it's also about being humble,
Correct.
that you need to trust people, that even if this guy or this person does not know how to do it today, probably 6 months down the line it is my responsibility to train them, and then they will be able to deliver what I am thinking of delivering.
Right.
देखो, initially जब आप 2 घंटे का काम आप करते हो, ठीक है, somebody who is an employee or who does not know like the fair idea कि अभी the other day I was at a party, okay, so
Right.
somebody asked me कि you work on this client and this is the product that this client makes, then they asked me, do you know how that product is made, right? As a partner or as a founder or like a business owner, I will always be interested in knowing what kind of people am I getting into business with.
Right.
उनका बिजनेस क्या है, आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर बिजनेस. बट एन एम्प्लॉई जिसको उनका सोशल मीडिया संभालना है ना, दे डोंट केयर अबाउट हाउ देयर प्रोडक्ट इज मेड, राइट? कि उनका बिजनेस चलता कैसे है, प्रॉफिट कैसे कमाते हैं,
बिल्कुल.
राइट? तो वो सारी चीजें उनको नहीं पता है. बट इवेंचुअली व्हेन यू ट्रेन देम, it becomes their mindset as well that they are able to deliver up to my expectations. तो उनको क्या होगा कि आप 2 घंटे में जो काम करते हो उनको शायद 4 लगेंगे वो काम करने में. बट एज अ बिजनेस ओनर यू नीड टू सेव टाइम ऑल्सो.
करेक्ट.
तो आपको 20 मिनट लगेंगे उस 4 घंटे को रिव्यू करने के लिए,
बिल्कुल.
राइट?
बिल्कुल.
तो बट एट द सेम टाइम आई डोंट केयर अबाउट दोस 4 hours that are being spent from somebody else,
Right.
but I care about
But मेरा
saving
time
my
free
1
हो
hour
रहा है.
40 minutes.
Right.
राइट? मैं 2 घंटे में वो काम करता तो मैं 2 घंटे पूरे जाते, अभी सिर्फ मेरे 20 मिनट जा रहे हैं.
Right.
तो वो 1 घंटा 40 मिनट में either I can complete some pending task or I can work on something that is priority. I can probably bring in more business, or probably I can also try to focus on my own self, right? मैं भी अपने लिए टाइम निकाल के I can also go to the gym and spend
Right,
about hour
right.
and a half there. तो नहीं तो मुझे 1.5 घंटा और एक्स्ट्रा निकालना पड़ता ना.
बिल्कुल.
सो बट ये जो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी का एक कॉन्सेप्ट आता है ना, सो व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन इट? कि मतलब बिजनेसेस एंड जॉब्स में लोग कहते हैं कि फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बिजनेस में ज्यादा होती है, जॉब्स में नहीं होती है. व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन इट? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
All this conversation reminds me of a snippet from Rich Dad Poor Dad. The rich dad of Robert Kiyosaki
Right.
used to say that always hiring someone smarter than you in the room, and when you sit with all those smarter people, the only thing that you have is the vision that you've got, and all those people are working for your vision. You are not that great, at all those skills, at all those things that those people do. Like someone is doing accounts and someone is managing my finances. Probably I'm not that great at saving my taxes because I'm an
Right.
engineer. But that finance graduate person is, because he is an MBA. So yeah, hiring someone smarter is going to work better for you, but you have to be in that space where you can make it work for you. That guy should be able to work for you. They should have a proper motivation for working with you.
Right, right.
Either that is money, because salary is a drug, we know that. Yeah, so money is always the point number one when it comes to motivation. And then there are people who also like to have a purpose of their life connected with what they do. So if you are fulfilling their vision along with your vision, then I don't really know, above these 2 pointers anyone is going anywhere. They are going to work with you.
Right.
And as far as my take on doing this independence kind of thing and hiring people in your business, it's more like everyone has got 24 hours, and how smartly do you use your 24 hours? It's all about that. So if I'm using my 20 minutes to bring out the productivity of 2 hours, then I would look at that mathematics like that. If like I was the other day I was watching a video of Aman Dhattarwal. He gave me a new perspective to live life. What he told me was कि basically यार, जब तुम्हारे दिन के 24 घंटे और तुम दिन का कितना कमाते हो, what is the worth of 1 hour that you've got?
Right.
क्या तुम उबर करके जाओगे उधर या तुम मेट्रो से जाओगे, इट इज ऑल अबाउट द वर्थ ऑफ द आर दैट यू हैव गॉट। अगर तुझे उबर जल्दी पहुंचा रही है एंड इट इज कॉस्टिंग यू मोर देन द मेट्रो, बट मेट्रो ज्यादा टाइम ले रही है, सो जस्ट हैव अ सिंपल कैलकुलेशन ना, व्हाट इज वर्थ मोर देन माय टाइम।
राइट राइट
सो इट्स लाइक दैट। तो अगर मेरे 20 मिनट की वर्थ ज्यादा है मेरे 2 घंटे से, तो डेफिनेटली आई नीड टू ब्रिंग डाउन माई वर्किंग आवर्स इन प्रोडक्टिविटी। अगर मेरे एक आवर की वर्थ 2,000 रुपए है, आई वुड पे 1500 टू एम्प्लॉय एंड स्टिल सेव 500 रुपीज, प्लस आई एम ऑल्सो सेविंग माई टाइम।
राइट
So that is what a smart move in a business is all about.
okay I mean jobs can also hold the same thing also because jobs में भी ये पता नहीं है, बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं है because हमारी audience is somebody जो मतलब are not who do
Right,
not
right.
belong a lot to the working class or like stuff like that.
Correct.
हमारे पास बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा हैं and we have young individuals who aspire to be working at like greater
Right,
companies in
right.
the world. सो लाइक क्या होता है ऑफिसेज में भी ना, जब आपके पास कोई काम आता है, सो दैट इज ऑलवेज बेस्ड अपॉन द काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस दैट यू आर गेटिंग, राइट? अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट बना रहा है तो वो प्रोडक्ट के अंदर पैसा डाल के उसको बेचना ही तो चाहता है ना एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, या फिर कोई सर्विस दे रहा है, ठीक है, तो वो एक प्रोजेक्ट किसी और के लिए कोई सर्विस किसी और को प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, सो दे ऑनबोर्ड अ प्रोजेक्ट। तो अब क्या होता है उसके अंदर कि मल्टीपल डेजिग्नेशंस होते हैं। अब ऑब्वियसली भाई एक एसोसिएट होगा या एक कंसल्टेंट होगा, उसकी 1 घंटे की कॉस्ट ऑब्वियसली बहुत कम होगी देन अ पार्टनर और अ डायरेक्टर और
Right,
एन एडी और अ
right.
मैनेजर, राइट? तो उधर भी ऐसा ही होता है कि एवरीबडी नीड्स टू रियलाइज देयर ओन टाइम कि भाई मेरे टाइम की क्या वैल्यू है। जैसे अब अगर मैं एक कंसल्टेंट हूँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरे 1 घंटे की वैल्यू है $20, राइट? और एक मैनेजर की 1 घंटे की वैल्यू है $100, राइट? सो आई विल नॉट लेट दैट मैनेजर वर्क ऑन, मतलब मेरे 5 घंटे इज इक्विवेलेंट टू हिज 1 आवर,
Right.
राइट? एंड इतना ज्यादा भी एफिशिएंसी या प्रोडक्टिविटी में फर्क नहीं आता कि मेरा मैनेजर 1 घंटे में मेरा 5 घंटे का काम कर
Correct.
देगा, वो भी नहीं कर पाएगा, राइट? सो
Mhm.
लाइक इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स दैट विल कॉस्ट यू मोर, उसको $500 लग रहे हैं 5 घंटे लगा के, चलो 3 घंटे भी करता तो भी $300 लग रहे हैं, और मैं वही काम 5 घंटे यानी कि $100 में कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं $200 सीधा सीधा बचा दे रहा हूँ,
Correct.
राइट? तो ऐसे ही यही डायनेमिक्स जो हैं फाइनेंसिस के या फिर चीजों के, एवरीबडी नोज दैट हाउ पीपल नीड टू एडजस्ट देमसेल्व्स टू सेव मनी एंड
Mhm.
हाउ मच देयर टाइम इज वर्थ, राइट?
Mhm.
सो ऐसा नहीं है कि आई डोंट थिंक हियर like businesses win over jobs, they don't, because it's the same everywhere, but
Mhm.
it's a more organized thing in
Mhm.
offices or like things like that. So
Mhm.
वहां पर लोगों को जल्दी इतना पता नहीं चलता है,
Right.
मतलब this is something that is coming from my experience. If I even like
Mhm.
pick up 5 people from the industry and ask them about this, na, they won't know about the financial dynamics of what goes behind a project also.
Probably we are on to know, I mean.
Yeah, I mean, that is
Yeah.
just about the curiosity that everybody
Right,
holds, right? You would be curious about everything or the other. That is
Right.
something that I know about you.
Mhm.
And so goes for me, right? कि मेरे को ये भी जानना है कि एंगेजमेंट लेटर के अंदर कौन से क्लॉज में किस चीज से कहाँ पर प्रोडक्ट कर रहे हो किस
बिल्कुल
चीज को,
बिल्कुल
but for other people getting an engagement letter and signing
Yeah.
it and getting the project is the only deal
Just
that they
close
have,
it, do it.
right? It is just for them, like getting the work thing or the things done. But
Mhm.
for us, I feel like a lot of people would relate to us कि कुछ लोगों को ना वो एक एक्स्ट्रा चुल होती है to do something extra every
Yeah.
time, not because they like it, it just happens very naturally to them.
Mhm.
So yeah, I believe अभी तक 0-0 चल रहा है, मतलब कोई भी जीता नहीं है ऐसे business versus jobs में.
So coming back to flexibility,
Yes,
being flexible is
flexibility,
important.
yes.
Everybody loves flexibility. Sorry guys, family podcast.
Yeah, family podcast है bro, PG-13 content, shut up.
ये फैमिली पॉडकास्ट इसलिए आई हर्ड दैट जोक द अदर डे बिकॉज हमारी फैमिलीज ही इसे देखती है,
हाँ, और तो कोई देखता नहीं है.
वी अपोलोजाइज फॉर दैट.
Yes.
तो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है यार, जो आई बिलीव कि यार यस देयर इज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, बट इट अगेन डिपेंड्स ऑन द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि हम उसे कैसे देख रहे हैं.
Right.
लाइक फॉर अ बिजनेस ओनर it is my choice that should I work at night or should I work in the morning.
Right.
But employees के लिए office timings are 9 to 6, 9 to 5, whatever
Right.
it is. तो but the thing is that as a business owner जो मेरे ऊपर stress है, जो मेरे ऊपर pressure है to make things work anyhow, the amount of uncertainty that I am carrying on my shoulders, that is not in that case of employee.
Right.
And they are just doing their work in the clock that is defined to them. But for me, I am working 10 times more, and I am probably I would be working in the morning, in the evening, and at the night as well. And
Right.
probably I am having 3 sleepless nights altogether when I'm working on a project. But it's not the case for employee. It's completely laid out for them, and you just have to work around the clock that is defined for you.
Right.
But yes, you can say that there is amount of flexibility. You can see a business owner on a expensive cruise, having a month long holiday. But I would say that yes, they have worked for it, because when you were sleeping, that probably that guy was fulfilling the order of some
Right.
client,
Right.
working sleepless nights.
राइट बट यार ये परसेप्शन ना हमारा जो है दिस इज वेरी लाइक ओरिएंटेड टू द बिजनेस ओनर्स ओनली। मैं
Hmm.
आज उन बच्चों को भी केटर करना चाहता हूँ जो मतलब हु आर प्लानिंग टू जॉइन स्टार्टअप्स रादर देन जॉइनिंग दी एमएनसीज।
Correct.
तो जो आप फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी की बात कर रहे हो ना, वो टेकिंग अ मंथ लॉन्ग थिंग इज बिकॉज और देम वर्किंग सो मेनी आवर्स इज बिकॉज दे आर अकाउंटेबल फॉर इट।
Right.
एक एम्प्लॉई है, उसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि मुझे आज 5 पोस्ट बना के डिज़ाइन करके घर जाना है,
Hmm.
राइट? तो अब उसको शायद 5 घंटे लगें, 2 घंटे लगें, 10 घंटे लगें, 20 घंटे लगें। वो बंदा भी या वो बच्चा भी जो एम्प्लॉई है या जो भी इंसान है, वो भी नहीं जाएगा ना, जब तक उसका काम खत्म नहीं होता है।
Right.
तो वो उसकी रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हैं, वो उसका काम है। बट एज़ अ बिज़नेस ओनर, यू आर अकाउंटेबल to do something or the other, and that is
Right.
why you're getting so much money. मतलब who are we kidding here?
Correct.
Business owners earn obviously they do,
I do agree
but
with that.
employees working under them don't, right? क्योंकि उनको ऐसा लगता है कि भाई हमने भी नौकरी करी थी, अब हम बिजनेस ओनर हैं, अब हम पैसा कमाएंगे तो बाकी लोग भी तो अभी हमारे अंदर जॉब ही कर रहे हैं,
Correct.
so we will exploit them also. That is the general scenario going around. Not that we are saying कि हम ऐसा करते हैं, but everybody has that in
Right,
their
of course.
mindset कि
Yeah,
ऐसा होता है, ठीक है?
that
तो
happens.
अगर हम उस बच्चे की भी बात करें जो मतलब इट इज अबाउट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइक वर्किंग, यू नो, कि मैं अपने घर से काम कर सकता हूँ, या फिर मैं आराम से आई कैन नॉट गो टू द ऑफिस 4 times a week,
Right.
right? Or else I can go to the office anytime that I want to, right? But when you get into the habit of it, आप एज अ बिजनेस ओनर भी एक कल्चर सेटअप करते हो अपनी कंपनी
बिल्कुल।
में, कि अब जैसे मेरे साथ क्या आदत है कि मैं हर ऑफिशियल मीटिंग में 5 मिनट पहले जाता हूँ। एज अ बिजनेस ओनर मैं किसी का वेट नहीं करता। अगर 10:30 मीटिंग है, आई विल जॉइन एट 10:25 एग्जैक्टली। I will be in the meeting. So because of that, some people have changed. Some people are in the meeting before 10:20 also, because they know I will be there at 10:25.
Right.
Right? So that is the kind of culture that I'm inculcating. मैं अगर ऑफिस जाऊं 2 बजे, राइट, सो अदर पीपल विल ऑल्सो थिंक कि हाँ ठीक है, अगर हम 10 बजे का हमारा पंच इन टाइम है, हम 12 बजे भी पहुंचेंगे तो हमारा फाउंडर तो 2 बजे ही आता है, तो क्या ही हो गया, क्या दिक्कत हो जाएगी।
सही बात है।
बट इफ यू आर देयर इन द ऑफिस एवरी डे एट 10 o'clock in the morning, then everybody will start coming at time, because they also know कि भाई if he can come, then why can't we, right? Because as a leader you lead by example. एंड आई बिलीव कि वो बाउंड्रीज जो है ना, वो आपके फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी को कहीं ना कहीं रोकती हैं, कम करती हैं। अगर आपके पास बाउंड्रीज हैं तो जॉब में नहीं होता है। जॉब में तो भाई बहुत एक्सप्लॉइटेशन होता है। जॉब में इफ यू आर टोल्ड कि यू वोंट स्लीप फॉर 2 nights, द एम्प्लॉय कैन नॉट, राइट? एज अ बिजनेस ओनर इफ आई फील लाइक कि यार बस मैं थक गया, राइट, अब मेरे को नहीं करना, आई कैन लाई डाउन फॉर अबाउट हाफ एन आवर, बट over there I cannot even waste 1 minute of ours because I'm answerable to somebody, right? As a business owner, you are not accountable to anyone.
You are accountable to yourself.
Exactly, right?
I
तो
mean,
मुझे किसी को जवाब नहीं देना, मुझे
Right.
अपने आप को जवाब देना,
right.
कि मेरी conscious clear करने के लिए, so that I don't feel guilty about taking that 30 minutes break that I took,
Correct.
right? But job में you need to clarify क्या कर रहा था आधे घंटे, वो वाली चीज है।
Right,
तो
right.
flexibility should be there. पोस्ट कोविड बहुत आई है, जॉब्स में बहुत आई है, मतलब people are not going to the offices,
Correct,
people are
correct.
reaching office at 10 or 11 in the morning. Some offices are shit of course. कुछ ऑफिसेज हैं सुबह सुबह बेचारे बच्चे 8:30 9 बजे पंच इन
Right.
कर रहे होते हैं, बट आई बिलीव कि दैट इज द चॉइस दैट यू मेक। अब मेरे को एक्सेंचर नहीं जाना था या मुझे इन्फोसिस नहीं जाना था, नहीं तो मैं भी सुबह 9 बजे पंच करके शाम को 5 या 6 बजे बाहर से निकल जाता।
यार मेरा ना
ऑफिस
इस
से
पे थोड़ा अलग पर्सपेक्टिव है। लेट मी से कि यू आर अकाउंटेबल टू योरसेल्फ एज अ बिजनेस ओनर, बट पता है यहाँ पे व्हाट आई कैन विजुअलाइज इज a man who is cutting the tree branch जिसपे वो खुद बैठा है.
right,
तो the thing is कि यार there are 10 people working under me and उनका घर मेरी वजह से चलता है.
right,
And if I am not setting up a healthy culture, eventually my business is going to perish, because if you work right, then you are going to earn right, then you are going to live right.
right.
If you are pursuing something wrong, that is eventually going to hit back at you. तो
Hmm.
मुझे लगता है कि if these guys don't know on the tree branch that they are sitting, और बेंचो वो उसी को काट देंगे, so
Hmm.
तो it's all gone ना, you will fall down.
Right.
So it's all on me कि अरे मत काट भाई, क्या कर रहा है तू. I
Hmm.
have to stop them from doing that, because eventually my business will shut down. मेरा loss तो होगा ही होगा. I am accountable to myself,
Hmm.
but those 10 guys who are working under me, उनका भी बहुत बड़ा loss है, because
You are
they are
responsible for
completely
them,
dependent
bhai.
on me. Right.
Not completely dependent, don't say that,
Yeah.
because matlab right now you're paying them. It's not like that
Mhm.
if they have the skill, they won't be dependent on you.
Right.
They will switch, they can go someplace else also,
Mhm.
right? But you are responsible for them, right? If you don't find a business worth rupees 5 lakhs in a month, right? And your salaries are only 3.5, कि आप 3.5 लाख का बिजनेस भी नहीं ला पा रहे महीने का, तो फिर मतलब दैट इज समथिंग वेर यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू डिलीवर दैट मच.
Correct.
फिर वो वही बात आती है कि आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज क्या है,
Mhm.
आप कितने अकाउंटेबल हो. तो वो अकाउंटेबिलिटी इज समथिंग दैट शुड बी देयर एज अ बिजनेस ओनर, एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई फील कि जॉब्स में और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और बिजनेस में देयर इज देयर इज नो फैंसी साइड टू एनीथिंग.
Yeah,
You
that's
will have to
that's
work towards everything. You will have to find out a way for yourself of what you find interesting, of the things that you want to do in life, and also identify that आप कौन हो, right? अगर हम लोग भी बहुत मल्टीपल चीजें ट्राई करते रहते हैं, हम लोग आज पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं, कभी हम वीडियोस बना रहे होते हैं, कभी हम मीटिंग्स ले रहे होते हैं, कभी हम ट्रेनिंग सेशंस ले रहे होते हैं, तो
right.
you need to identify what interests you. But definitely a job can also give you a feeling of leadership, of accountability, of feeling responsible for other team, because you have people to assist, you have people to manage, you have things to do, you have things to deliver, and so does a business as well. So I believe कि कोई debate नहीं होनी चाहिए on to this particular topic. Why? Because stress levels and all of these things, या फिर आपकी accountability, आपका काम, हर चीज डिपेंड करता है आपकी बाउंड्रीज पे, प्रोफेशनल बाउंड्रीज पे, कि आप किस हद तक जाना चाहते हो.
Correct.
तो वो चाहे जॉब हो चाहे बिजनेस हो, दोनों जगह को आप मेंटेन कर सकते हो इफ यू आर विलिंग टू, राइट? बट इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सुनने में बहुत इजी लगता है,
Yeah, it
बट इट
sounds
इज वेरी
cool.
डिफिकल्ट टू
यार
डू.
मैं स्टार्टअप कर रहा हूँ. It sounds,
राइट,
मतलब काफी
फैंसी लगता
fashionable,
है. हाँ,
fancy, but there is also a side to it
business
जहाँ
is
पे
the new riz these days. I
yeah,
learned this
yeah.
Gen Z term very recently.
I can't.
I just cannot do it.
Give
मतलब
up,
ये
man.
अभी I was watching that interview with Virat Kohli, and he was like कि भाई I could relate to him. मतलब he is 1988
Right,
born.
right,
I
right.
am 2000 born, but still I am so far away from the Gen Z culture. Even though like I recommend brands of how to include like the Gen Z audience in
Right,
their
right, right,
marketing
right, right.
strategies, but like I feel like कि बहुत चीजें बदल गई हैं. So
बिल्कुल.
for you, startups and like ventures are like the new riz now. So why don't you decide for yourself and let us know in the comments below
Do you notice that accent? That Gen Z
yeah,
accent.
that's why I'm impersonating as a
Yeah,
Gen Z,
yeah,
even
yeah.
though I'm not. So यार पता नहीं, लोग तो कहते हैं मैं हूँ Gen Z, but मैं हूँ
मैं
तो
हूँ
नहीं.
क्या, मतलब मैं तो 2001 में born हुआ हूँ.
भाई
So
आई डोंट नो, आई बिलीव कि 2000 के बाद वालों को सबको Gen Z बोलते हैं.
I can't, man. I can't.
मैं नहीं बुलाता अपने आप
I
को Gen
just
Z. मैं हूँ ओल्ड
मैं
फैशन्ड. आई
बिल्कुल
एम
नहीं.
सॉरी. मैं हूँ
बिल्कुल.
अभी भी होपलेस रोमांटिक. है मेरे पास अभी भी दिल, और है मेरे अंदर अभी भी फीलिंग्स, जो Gen Z में तो नहीं है. क्योंकि आई बिलीव कि कल्चर बहुत बदल गए, लोगों के प्रायोरिटीज बहुत बदल
No
गई.
comments, but I'm not Gen Z. I mean, yeah, Gen Z is more like, पता नहीं, they create a world of their own. They are into
Yeah.
something of their own. And ये digital age में these people have grown up.
यार डिजिटल को दोष मत दे यार, पैसा दे रहा है यार,
यार,
डिजिटल एज
what
अबे
are you
यार.
saying? I mean, yes, that is our business.
Yeah.
But growing up in the digital age has changed the mindset of people.
Of course यार.
Creating your own world, creating your own thing, and living in that, avoiding reality.
Right. Gen Z's का ना मतलब I am not like cussing them, what if I am, but like मेरे साथ एक वो चीज़ है that it is a new lifestyle that has been created now
Hmm.
कि चीज़ों को सीरियसली ना लेना, शॉर्ट
Right.
अटेंशन स्पैन होना
Right.
या फिर पेशेंस ना होना और गेटिंग शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड, लाइक शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड तो लोग पहले भी होते थे बट आज की डेट में ना मतलब इट्स नॉट देयर फॉल्ट ऑल्सो
Correct.
बिकॉज हमने हर चीज़ को मतलब आई फील है कि तू और मैं भी कहीं ना कहीं उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल है of why we are making people dependent upon like 30 seconds ka content, right? How will they increase their patience? We have
Right.
been both a victim of it because we both are engineers and we never used to study we used to study one day before the exam.
Correct.
We used to study the same morning as the exam. He's the
Uh,
intelligent kid, but
uh,
like whatever we used to do, I believe कि बहुत चीज़ें shift हो गई हैं, but Gen Z के पास एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है कि वो चीज़ों को अपने तरीके से बेच सकते हैं,
right.
right? Because they are a very big audience altogether. So Gen Zs के पास ये फायदा है. So people who are looking out to become entrepreneurs in the Gen Z age, I believe if you are a Gen Z, you should definitely go ahead and do something of yourself because you know what you want, right?
Right.
And your want is the solution to everybody else's wants, right? If you need an oversized hoodie, if you need something that looks beautiful, you need कि मेरा study table should look like very fancy and it should have
Yeah,
like
yeah,
this
yeah.
and that. Make those things or monetize those things, or even if you want कि भाई मैं content creator हूँ, मेरे 4 दोस्त content creators हैं, but मेरे को वीडियो एडिट करना भी बहुत पसंद है और बाकी मेरे किसी दोस्त को आता नहीं है.
Right.
So that skill you want, आपको पता है कि हर content creator की
Right,
want है
right.
वीडियो एडिटर.
Video editing.
अब वीडियो एडिटर बन के भी you can create a very good platform for yourself and you can do really good business, right? So if you want to do that, I believe कि this is the time when Gen Zs are actually coming through and
उनका
they
माइंड
should.
स्पेस ना थोड़ा मतलब अलग होता है. लाइक मतलब पहले ना इट वाज लाइक कि यार जूते होते हैं जो पैरों में पहने जाते हैं, एंड नाउ देयर इज लाइक कि यार स्नीकर्स होते हैं और पता नहीं
There's a
क्या.
lot of
देयर
things
इज
going on.
या try out these cool kicks, these are worth
Yeah.
90,000 rupees.
Right.
This is madness, man.
I mean, kicks is something that we used to hear a lot.
Yeah,
ठीक
yeah.
है, as kids.
Yeah.
But always used to get associated with football.
Correct,
right?
correct,
That we
correct.
are playing football, so भाई क्या kick मारी bro, क्या मतलब सीधा उसमें. Now the language has been like कि अब ना वो सीधा trigger करती है यहाँ पे.
Right, right.
तो जो Gen Z language है ना, that triggers you directly here and that is what marketing is all about.
I
right?
appreciate that.
कोई भी बिजनेस बनाओ, ठीक है, be it a product business or anything, the foundation of your sales and your revenue will always be marketing.
बिल्कुल.
जब तक आप जो चीज बना रहे हो उसको दिखाओगे नहीं दुनिया में तो लोग कैसे खरीदेंगे, right?
And
So
for
marketing is
marketing
always there.
consultancy, you can call.
Contact the fuel media now. That's what I say in reels. I feel like कि भाई मैं इतना oldie sound करता हूँ उसमें, but ठीक है.
Yeah.
So yeah, I believe कि jobs and businesses are like both very good options for you.
Yeah.
And if you want us to create more content on such things, we can do dedicated episodes on stuff as well. If you want to listen about stories or like discuss about things, or if you want to have more guests with Divya on the podcast, you can definitely comment down and we will try to make that happen. And so
I don't know why this guy is hosting my podcast.
I am not, I'm helping you, dude. I mean,
Yeah.
the audience will relate with it because they know what they want, right? So as a guest, if I feel very nice coming to you and recording a podcast with you, I am sure anybody who comes and talks to you will always be in the awe of you. So if I am, तो मैं तेरी audience को बता रहा हूँ कि तू बहुत ही hot आदमी है. So that is why, like, he is a good person to talk to, and yeah.
Yeah, I mean, यार हमने title गलत रख दिया, business versus job. It should be more like job or business. Which one is right for you?
Yeah, it's for your identification only, I believe.
Yeah,
So yeah.
So that's it for this episode, guys. And I don't know, there are a lot of episodes coming up further. And just get subscribed to our this In Essence podcast, and live a good life, drink water, and stay hydrated, and don't be delulu.
Because that's not the Sululu. All right, thank you guys.
Okay,
Bye.
see ya.